moment everybody's been waiting for, me especially. The big question, when's the wheeler gonna get done? It's been 6 months since I've rode it, and just a lot of little tidbit stuff. The biggest thing being new motor. I'd say that was definitely the biggest one. Had to do a new steering post, which thanks Derek for helping me with everything with that. I had to take all the diff out. Take the diff out, put the new one in. That was a pain right in the ass. Had to put a new secondary clutch in. I got all new bushings, all new bearings, all new brakes. Repainted this a little bit. I think I like it. I don't know yet. We'll see. You have to ride with it. I was going to do new tires, but I'm going to hold off on those. There's a couple other things I'd like to get first. It definitely needs a bath. The next biggest thing is the new snorkel bracket. That's going to work out pretty nice. The snorkels got taken down another 2 inches, so now actually when I'm sitting on the bike, I can pretty much see straight down right over the radiator. Where before the snorkels were about up to here, so when I'm looking down, all I can see is this. And, you know, for me, a lot of the places that we go riding at, especially like Newton Falls, you kind of really want to see what's right in front of you as much as possible. So that's kind of nice. Working on a new design for this, so that might be going away soon. Took out the sway bar. We're going to see how much I like it. And of course, also too, we've got the new exhaust. So the HMF Titan XL came off, and the RJWCs came on. So, loving the sound with them. Great exhaust. Had to make some changes just to get them to fit right. If you got a 2-inch lift on your bike, then the original bracket's not going to work. So I had to cut some plastics out here on this side. No big deal, whatever. It's only plastic. I'm trying to think what else. Nope, can't think of anything else. At least not off the top of my head. But I'm gonna keep running around a little bit, trying to do a break-in on the motor. That's the hard part, is not just splitting into her. Just trying to be really good with that. You know, I want to break it in right. I don't want to screw anything up again. And really just do some test runs to make sure she's good and ready for Texas, because what's the sense of going all the way down there if you don't have a bike that's working and ready to roll? So, kind of keep ripping around a little bit. Want to get a little bit of time on her, but also taking it easy, which is hard. Luckily I don't have any fields that I can go rip it in, otherwise I probably wouldn't be taking it so easy on her. So I don't know how well you're going to hear the exhaust with the camera right now, but we'll find out. Give her a little bit of a grab. Sounds like a friggin' helicopter coming in. Oh, she's going to sound good. Tell you what, once she's broken in, heading into a mud hole and just letting her eat, that exhaust is gonna scream. Yeah, she is. Oh, how did I forget? Kinda also put in a stage 3 tune. Whoops, forgot to mention that one. Thanks Ryan, RVS. Derek helped me out with that one there. Got the Power Vision, the DynoJet Power Vision, and Ryan from RVS did the stage 3 tune for it to go with the exhaust. And that's another thing that makes it really hard not to want to throttle into everything, because I really want to see the difference between what it was before and having the stage 3, which I'll definitely go around, because I can change the tunes right around directly on the spot when I want to. Just plug in the tuner and I can set it back to stock, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a video for you guys and kind of do a run where, alright, play around with it, horse around a bit. Once the motor's broken in with it on the, you know, stock tune, and then I'll throw in the stage 3 tune, and we'll see what kind of response we get power wise. But kind of continue on here. It's cold as shit and I got things I want to get done, tempting, but I haven't heard much sled traffic down this way, and seeing those wet spots on top, yeah, otherwise I'd go play around right there. It's not deep, I'm not worried about that part if it did go through, because you know it's only about 3-4 not even feet, at least a good 10 yards 15 yards out. So, but like I said, getting ready to go to Texas, not trying to break anything, just trying to break it in as gently as possible and as patiently as possible, which, let me tell you, it's really hard. I just want to go out there and just rip it. is all ice. Feels so good. 6 months not riding. Yeah. Let me tell you, it's been painful. Alright, so for now, it's time for her to go back to bed. Give her a good gentle break in as much as possible, and yeah, so any questions, obviously throw them up. I'll do my best to answer them as quick as possible. So far so good, everything seems to be running the way it needs to be, no complaints. I do need to get some new clips for my high lifter axles. I've got the stock ones on right now, and Lord knows those aren't going to last when I'm in Texas. So I still got the rears on, but had the issue with them popping out. I was trying to use them as a hammer to pull out the axles when we were changing out the front diff. They came apart, so apparently I guess there's a clip inside. I don't know, I'm not a mechanic and I don't pretend to be, so apparently there's a clip inside. Got to get that changed out, put it back together, and go from there. Good thing is, if it doesn't solve the problem, I'll be at Mud Nats in another, well, 20 something days. For those of you that don't know already, I'm going to be going down, meeting with the Caucasian, Swamp Ass, Albion. Who else we got coming here? I think JP Stevens going to be down there. Ridge Runner. The Blazing Texan. Dilly Dilly. That's all I know. I can't remember your YouTube name. I just know Dilly Dilly because the damn side-by-side. God, I'm drawing serious blanks today. It's alright. My mind's fried today, so if I forgot anybody, I'll get you on the next one. But oh, look at that. I didn't put that push pin back in. Get that later. But yeah, so stay tuned. We're going to have some good footage coming up, especially being down in Texas. Should not disappoint. But between then, I'll have a few rides coming in because the one thing I've been waiting to do is go for a snow ride. Oh, I got to put my light back on too. But yeah, we'll catch up with you guys. Thanks for watching.